We're going to be showing you how to change seals on a 1500 PSI 0.15 and a 0.030. Now to start, you want to make sure that you unplug your pump from the power source. Then you need to remove your hoses with this tool here, which can be purchased at MistCooling.com. You push in on the tubing, push down on this outer ring here, and pull the hose out. Same thing over here on the outside of the pump. Pull this one out, and this one in the rear, pull it out also. If you don't have this tool, you can use a crescent wrench. Just adjust your crescent wrench a little bit bigger than the tubing and use the crescent wrench to push down. Then you'll need to remove this fitting on the outside of the pump. Remove this big hex nut. Then with an Allen wrench, remove these 4 screws. Make sure you don't lose your lock washers. Then pulling the pump forward a little bit. When it comes off of the bearing, then you can get this way out of the hole. Turn it over like this to expose these. Using the Allen wrench, remove all 6 of these screws.